my next video, I'd like to do one on making shortcuts, I guess you could call it for want of a better word, from your sub-menu icons. Okay, so there's no real way to word this properly, so I'm just going to show you how to do this, what we're going to do, and this is on a Samsung S25 Ultra. So as you can see my bottom app drawer, I have several apps here, and if you're wondering why there's multiple ones, let me know and I'll make a video on that. But say for example I'm going to go to phone app, tap and hold the phone app, and I have extra items that come up, quick items, okay? I can tap missed calls, I can tap search, I can tap create a contact, but if you tap and hold, you can actually make a shortcut for that sub-menu item. So it would be, I guess the name of that would be a sub-menu item making a shortcut. Kind of a mouthful there. So, and each app has something different. For example, notes, whole bunch of them. I can do a new text note, tap and hold it, there it is, and then I go into it. I don't want to go into it so everybody sees my notes, but instead of going into the app or instead of tapping and holding, you just make a quick shortcut right on your desktop. It's really, really handy and fast. I've really found myself to be using this a lot lately. Here's the internet, tap and hold. So you can do view bookmark, search web. So I can go to search web, and now anything I go into search web, bang, there it comes up right away. So it's really a neat feature for getting into the sub-menus, and if you do a sub-menu, making it something permanent that you can get into often. So I hope you found my video to be helpful. Thank you for being here. Please click like and subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment down below. Thank you for your time, and until next time, I'm out.